If you've got constant mucus stuck in your throat, making you clear it again and again, this video is for you. I'm dr.kade, and today I'll show you how to get rid of it fast, with natural, science-backed methods you can start right away. Mucus isn't always a bad thing. Your body produces it every single day to protect your airways and keep them from drying out. But when it becomes thick, sticky, and constant, it's not just uncomfortable, it can make you feel like something is always lodged in your throat. So let's break down what's really happening, and more importantly, how to finally fix it. Solution 1. Warm salt water gargle. The very first thing I recommend, and yes, it works better than most sprays and lozenges, is a simple salt water gargle. Here's why. Salt water works like a gentle cleanser. It breaks down thick mucus, reduces throat inflammation, and helps wash away bacteria and irritants that are feeding the cycle. All you need is half a teaspoon of salt mixed into a glass of warm water. Take a sip, tilt your head back, gargle for about 20 seconds, and spit it out. Repeat this 3 or 4 times a day. My patients who do this consistently often notice relief in just a couple of days. Solution 2. Nasal rinse for post-nasal drip. A huge reason mucus builds up in your throat is something called post-nasal drip. That's when excess mucus from your nose slides down into your throat, often without you even realizing it. To stop that, a nasal rinse is incredibly effective. You can use a neti pot, a squeeze bottle, or even just cup your hand with the same saltwater solution. Gently sniff the solution into one nostril while keeping the other blocked, and let it drain out. Repeat on both sides. It may feel strange at first, but once you get used to it, you'll see how much gunk it clears out. Fewer allergens, less thick mucus, and less irritation dripping into your throat. Solution 3. Hydration plus warm fluids. Now, let's talk about thinning mucus. Thick mucus is what causes that constant stuck sensation. The easiest way to thin it? Hydration. But here's the trick. Warm fluids work much better than cold ones. Sipping on warm water, herbal teas like ginger or chamomile, or even a clear warm broth keeps mucus loose. When it's thin, your body clears it out naturally instead of letting it build up. Dehydration, on the other hand, makes mucus sticky and stubborn. So if you're not drinking enough water during the day, that might be the biggest reason you're still struggling. Solution 4. Steam inhalation. Another game changer is steam inhalation. If you've ever taken a hot shower and felt your nose suddenly open up, you know what I mean. Here's how you do it safely. Fill a large bowl with hot water, place it on a stable table, and lean over with a towel covering your head. Keep a distance of about 20 to 30 centimeters so you don't burn yourself, and breathe in slowly through your nose. Do this for about 10 minutes. The warm, moist air loosens mucus in your throat and lungs. For extra relief, add a drop of eucalyptus or peppermint oil to the water. Both help open airways and reduce congestion. Solution 5. Elevate your head at night. Many people notice mucus feels worse at night. Why? Because lying flat allows mucus, and sometimes even stomach acid, to flow into your throat. The fix is simple. Add an extra pillow to raise your head slightly. This helps mucus drain down instead of pooling in your throat, and it can also reduce acid reflux, which, believe it or not, is one of the hidden causes of constant throat mucus. If you already suffer from acid reflux, controlling it could make a huge difference. I've got a full video on reflux that explains why it creates mucus buildup, so definitely check that out after this one. Why mucus builds up. Before I wrap up, let me explain why you might be producing too much mucus in the first place. Allergies. Your body reacts to dust, pollen, or pet dander by making more mucus to trap those irritants. Infections. Colds and sinus infections trigger mucus as part of your body's defense system. Acid reflux. Stomach acid creeping into your throat irritates the lining, and your body responds by coating it with mucus. Dry air, especially in heated or air-conditioned rooms, your body produces thicker mucus to compensate. Understanding these triggers helps you not just treat mucus, but prevent it from coming back. Important note: when to see a doctor. Mucus itself is usually harmless. But if it's lasting more than 2 weeks, or if it's thick, discolored, or comes with fever, chest pain, or blood, that's a red flag. That's when you need to see a doctor to rule out infections, allergies, or something more serious. Gargle with warm salt water, use a nasal rinse, stay hydrated with warm fluids, try steam inhalation, and sleep with your head slightly raised. These are 5 natural, effective ways to clear mucus from your throat and finally breathe and speak with ease. If this helped, drop a comment below and tell me which of these you're going to try first. And before you go, Make sure to watch my other video on the hidden link between acid reflux and mucus, because for many people, that's the missing piece. I'm dr.kade, reminding you, your body has the power to heal when you give it the right tools. Stay healthy, and I'll see you